Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Now, as you can see, we have a box. So this is an unboxing video. Let's have a look in here. Now, this watch has actually come from a UK manufacturer. The company is actually, it's been very well packaged. Let me get it out of here. 1 second, here we go. This is the box, and I think we also have a pouch in here. So Clemence watches. Now, say UK manufacturer, but they're based up in Edinburgh, and we've got this watch in for a few weeks to have a look at. So I thought we'd just quickly do an unboxing. Now, I haven't seen it in the flesh yet, but the pictures I've seen, it looks really quite nice for the money. Okay, we got a nice compact little box there. Now, I say I'm not 100% sure on the how it would come as spec, but I think this is it. Nice little box. Let's pull it out here. Ooh. Now that, I think, looks rather nice. Let's pull this out. Now, let's just take this off here. Let's zoom in on that dial a little bit. Check this out. I think that looks rather cool. So this is just a very quick, just an unboxing to see what, first impressions. And I have to say, they are quite positive. I love the applied markers. I love the case detailing. I believe that even though this is a very small company, there is a lot of, I think the case is only theirs. I'm going to, at the full review, I'm going to talk more about it. But this is just, I say, just off the bat. Let's give it a little bit of power. Winds nicely. There we go. Let's get that moving. Now this watch, the reason why I quite like this is not just the design, but also the price point. This is, I think it starts at 430, 420, round about there, and I think around about 470 on a bracelet. And what's nice with this, it's got the Miyota movement in there. And so you're getting a proper 8 beats per second watch here versus what is most of the time a 6 beat Seiko movement on things like this. Let's have a listen to that bezel. That's nice. Very positive. I like the actual bezel itself. Just check that out. It does look really cool. Bracelet feels super solid. It's an oyster style, and the clasp, as we can see, is signed, and it does have micro adjustment. So that is really cool. I think that is a handsome looking watch. Look at those applied markers and that crystal. Ooh, that looks nice actually. Drilled lugs. Let's quickly try it on the wrist. Let's zoom out here. Quick wrist check. I'm wearing a Seiko tuner, and Bob over there is wearing a very, very old Seiko quartz, which I've had for absolutely years and years. So let's see if this fits my wrist. Little bit tight, but that's all right. We've got dive link extension, so I can just loosen that, and there we go. I think that looks great. I think if you're in the market for a sub £500 watch, just off the top of my head, this one actually does look rather nice. So I say that was just, let's just quickly see what's in here. Oh, I like that. That's really nice. Oh, this is really, this is all very cool actually. Is this a strap changing tool? Wow, that's cool. That's your spring bar tool there. And pin pusher for the lugs. I like that. This is a lovely little case. What's the strap here? Oh, this is the Tropic. It is also available on the Tropic. So we're at the full review, we'll have a proper look on each. So yeah, but yeah, first impressions, I have to say I do like this a lot. I think, the guy I'll go more into his history because he gave me a good background story as well on this watch, and I think he's onto a winner here, I think. It's a very nice watch. Okay, that was just a really quick first impressions. And give me a couple of weeks and we'll get a full review of this little beauty out there. Okay, all the best, guys. You stay safe. Any questions, feel free to leave them in the comment section below. Okay, take care. Bye.